Yeah, I think I need to finally call it for what it is. It's a problem. I have an addiction that I just can't seem to shake. I don't know when this addiction started. I don't know where or how, but it's something that I've struggled with for a very long time. And, you know, my partner, she would always call me out on it. But I would just say, hey, you know what? Hey, I'm doing this because it's my creative side coming out. But, you know, it's something that I need to finally get a hold of and make for the better. I have a camera accessory addiction. I buy things even though they're not, you know, they're not meant to be. I think I buy them because they're shiny. I buy them because they're new, and I always think that they're gonna help me become a better filmmaker or photographer, whatever it might be. But that's not the case. I'm just a lazy piece of. So yeah, what can I say?